2 guys up front wall, and 1 guy window.
I'm out.
Right here. Right here.
Navy, repeat the last over. One. Friendly and Swiss, over. There's 1 room there. He's only... Yeah.
Right there.
Hey, Adam. Adam.
What?
Where do you want the flag?
Bring it here.
All right. Adam, coming across, cover. Which one? All right, no roof. See that sniper rifle in action.
He's moving to you. Okay. He's behind JoJo 2-3. Wait, come this way. Which way? Doorway of 1334. Get it. Fucking get it. What?
Excuse me.
Are you? Okay. That's cool. Hit. Okay, copy that. No, I have the mound in my way. I have limited visibility, but...
Navy, I need color. Taking fire from other buildings. Roger that.
Hey, cover this way, he's gonna move this way, alright?
Move 1725 to no roof. Okay.
Walk back.
Hey, where's the rounds come from?
Got room for 1 more in that building?
Yeah, move.
Alright. Right around the corner. Go, go, go. One coming in. Cover me.
Hit! Hit! Oh, that barely hit me too.
We were about to win. Yeah.
Arrows, yeah.
Sniper Ricky, how many people did you snipe?
This round?
Yes.
5.
5? Holy
Yes.
cow, man.
Not counting the one that I supposedly hit. But yeah, 5.
Oh, you're ace sniper.
Yes.
Tell us about your gun.
This started out as a JG Bar 10, and nothing is JG now except for the stock. I have all PDI internals in here, including PDI vacuum bore up cylinder set with V trigger, with Prometheus 6.03 550mm inner barrel, with the PDI their own hop up chamber and a bunch of other upgrades on here. It's kind of hard to name them all.
Cool. So, and where did you get all the parts for your gun?
I got some of them from Evic, and then most of the products I have to overship from Japan. Yeah. From PDI themselves, expired.org, I believe.
Cool.
Yeah.
But most of it, you can get the base gun from e-bike, right?
Yes, you can.
Okay, cool. All right, thanks.
No problem.
Mobility.
Got him.
saved
He's
out.
down. Bank right, keep banking right. One guy coming in low.